Meaning of fire eater.
Fire eater.
Fire eater.
Fire eater.
Fire eater. Fire eater originally referred to performers who would eat or breathe fire in circus acts and other shows. However, the term has since taken on a more figurative meaning, indicating someone who is aggressive or overly confrontational. A fire eater might have a tendency to escalate conflicts and resort to extreme measures in order to achieve their goals. This can be seen in political contexts, where fire eaters might advocate for war or other drastic actions in response to perceived threats. Overall, the term fire eater suggests someone who is willing to take bold and potentially dangerous action.